Okay, so I've got some cream and some sugar. I'm going to mix that up really well. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, we'll pull out the quart of Skyr and we'll just pour them into the ice cream cooler, ice cream maker. I was going to do vanilla, but I'm thinking I want chocolate. So I'm going to add to this about 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I'll bring you right back while I mix up because I need 2 hands. I actually decided to use some dark baker's chocolate, 70%. And I'm going to melt it and add it to here. All right, so there we go. There's our chocolate part. And we will mix it with the yogurt and it's ready to go into the freezer. Okay, so we've got the Cuisinart set up. We've got our yogurt, Mesophilic yogurt, so again it's a lot more fluid. I didn't strain it. Oops, it's on the shadow, sorry guys. And we're coming in with some chocolate and cream. Put it on the lid. There, now it works. Okay. Let's just put it on start. Turn it on. Start it with an hour. And there she goes. I'll come back in about 20 minutes. All right, so let's try this Skyr ice cream out. I've already had some, guys. It's incredible. But we'll just plate it out for you as well. Now, this is a Stracciatella style. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with some vanilla paste because I want it a little sweeter. And I make this with agave, blue agave, and vanilla beans, basically. And years ago, I made the mistake of trying Luxardo maraschino cherries. And so it totally ruined me for maraschino cherries, but they're too expensive. I'm sorry, I can't buy them, but I can't eat anything else. So I made my own maraschino cherries, and they're even better than Luxardo. So once a year when my cherry tree has cherries, I will make my own beautiful maraschino cherries. And we'll just put some of that and a little bit of that tart juice as well on the top. So let's show you what it looks like. So I like the Stracciatella because you end up with little bits of dark chocolate that melt in your mouth as you're eating the ice cream. And they're so fine that it's a different situation than if you would have just put chocolate chips in it. So it's very fine little bits of chocolate. So I'll give you the first bite. Amazing. The Skyr makes a very good frozen yogurt. Delish. If you'd like me to teach you how to make maraschino cherries from scratch, like authentic maraschino cherries, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll do that this summer. Include you in the whole process. It's kind of a chemistry project, but super, super fun. So you do have to use special ingredients. It's not just, throw your cherries in with the sugar and wait. There's a reason it's nice and firm, and there's a whole process that you go through to make it that beautiful. But this is easy, and you can make it on your countertop, and then you can just freeze your ice cream if you don't mind a little bit of crystalline. And especially with this type of recipe, you really can't tell that much because there's little bits of chocolate anyway. But I hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe, and come on back to my culinary kitchen with the crossover anytime. Bye for now, guys.